Well, because we're up here in Alaska, we had to winterize our RV, and now we've de-winterized it. Ooh, look at that running water. All right, we're gonna show you how to de-winterize your trailer. Well, the first step is to drain your tank, which I've already done. And the second step you can do one of two ways. You can either hook your hose up directly to the city fill right here and then just run everything through your pipes. But because we boondock so much of the time, I'm gonna fill up our freshwater tank and then run it through the pump and get all that RV antifreeze out of our pump. So come back in a few minutes, hopefully sooner, when this is all filled up. Water pump may have bitten the dust with the minus 18 degree temperatures we've had this winter, so I can't get it to turn on. So we're gonna de-winterize by using the city water. And so I've got the hose hooked up and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and we'll de-winterize inside. All right, well, whether you're doing this on city water or out of your freshwater tank, just start running your stuff until all the pink fluid comes out, and run it on cold and then on hot. Get all this stuff, and it's gonna be kind of foamy. Oh, look at that. And you just want to run it till it's all clear. Get all the antifreeze out of it. Like that. Right on. We're going to go around to every single one to do that. All right, run it out of the cold here. I'm going to do this on the hot side. Do this in the shower. Okay, and last in here, before going outside and do the outside shower, I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet. All right, and then the last one is the outside shower, and then we'll do the hot water heater. Fill that one back up. All right, last but not least in this whole process is filling up the hot water tank so we can use it. And I left the bypass valves in bypass mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and put those in regular. Ooh, there's water filling it up already. Oops. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna run the hot water, and it's gonna do this. It's gonna sputter until the hot water from the tank runs through, fills up, and then comes back out again. So this is normal. Pretty soon, don't have hot water, so our hot water tank is all filled up now. And I can actually go out now and turn on the electrical since we're hooked up to electric. And the last thing I'm going to do, because we had such cold temperatures up here in Alaska, is I'm going to go around and really inspect all of the lines. It was nice to see so much pink coming out. I think the only casualty, unless it's just a fuse, and I don't have an extra fuse with us, they're back at the shed in the cabin. Duh. Hopefully it's just a fuse, but if that's the water pump is a casualty, so be it. They're pretty easy to change out. So if you got any value out of this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.